Time for an unboxing. I don't know if you know this, but I am part of the Blackstone Griddle crew. That's where I got the Blackstone sweater. I think I had to pay for this though. But this got delivered today, and we're gonna do an unboxing. As part of being the Griddle crew, I love Blackstone. They're a great company. They do send you a little trinkets. So I figured, why not get this unboxed? I don't even know what they sent me. So this is nice to go ahead and get a little trinket, a little something for your Blackstone. And I'm excited to see what I got. I hope it's something very useful that I don't already have. The problem is with being associated with Blackstone and being an ambassador is you kind of have everything. So let's see what we got, because there are a couple things I do need. Get this out of the way. We don't need this. We don't need this. Ooh, we got something good. We got, and I'll use this tonight actually, extra large griddle press. Look at that. So for your smash burgers, bacon, steak, sandwiches, paninis, whatever you're gonna do, smash it down. It's an extra large, so you can do actually 4 patties. So this thing works pretty well. You can pick all this up. Links in the bio at blackstoneproducts.com. Definitely check it out. My Amazon store. You can go ahead and get these at a good price. And when you click on the link, it helps your boy Big Puffin' out, helps the channel. But we got first things first. We got the extra large griddle press. I do not have this. I'm actually pretty excited for this. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got Blackstone. You ready for this? I don't know if you're ready for this. Deep dish pizza kit. So I just got the pizza oven at the house. I've done a couple pizzas on it already. This can be used more than just pizza. So this is a cast iron deep dish. You can do all kinds of stuff. Cheesy bread, you can do pastas, you can do dips. So you take like for the big Super Bowl game, take a dip, put it in there, cook it. But now we got the deep dish pizza kit, perfect for all your cast iron needs, really. And it comes with a handle, so I won't burn my hand. I gotta be safety first. So let's see what else we got. Let's see. Oh, we got liners. So you gotta have these. These are huge, these are important. Simple, basic things, grease trap, put this in here, and these are good to go. So really good stuff. That is all that was sent in this griddle box. Huge, huge shout out. We got our griddle press, we got our pizza kit, and we got our liners. I would say, like I said, check out the links in the bio. Go ahead and pick this stuff up on your own. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll catch you in the next cook.